Hello guys, good afternoon. This afternoon is we're going to talk about self-awareness. So, ano nga ba ang self-awareness? And why is it important to us? So guys, self-awareness is the ability to understand yourself and consciously be aware of your personality, emotions, behaviors, and also your necessities in life. So, gaano mo ba talaga kakilala ang iyong sarili? Do you know yourself inside and out? Kasi, a lot of people na hindi nila kilala ang kanilang sarili. Because siguro due to work, desire to belong, and yung comparison to others. So, why those things happens to them? So, siguro hindi na binigyan ng time ang kanilang sarili to get to know of themselves, or hindi na binigyan ng kaunting panahon para makilala nila kung sino or ano ba talaga sila. The thing that express self-awareness is mirror. So, diba? Bakit mirror? So, because a mirror is provide us with a visual representation of ourselves. When we look into a mirror, we can see our physical appearance, body language, and facial expressions, and also our personal grooming and confidence building. And these visual feedbacks help us become aware of how we present ourselves to others and how we perceive ourselves. And also guys, self-awareness is our ability to focus on ourselves and how our thoughts, actions, emotions aligned with our internal standards. So why is self-awareness is important? It's simply because self-awareness gives us a sense of peace, di ba? Kasi kung may self-awareness ka, kilala mo na yung sarili mo, kampante ka na, di ba? Mas lalong nakakatuwa pag sino ba namang hindi nakakatuwa pag nakilala nila ng buo ang kanilang sarili, di ba? So ganyan ang self-awareness. It making it easy for us to accept and understand the world against us. Pero guys, hindi madali ang journey nito because there's a lot of people who find it hard to be honest with themselves. Kaya nga, self-awareness starts in knowing and understanding yourself. Where you stand at the moment for you to know where you go, because some truths are hard to accept. So one of the most important thing that we hard to understand is that this journey to self-awareness is better experience if you're not alone. Diba, syempre mas masarap sa pakiramdam na maraming sumusuporta sa iyo. Diba? Lalo na pag yung mga taong iyon ay truly and genuinely cares for you to grow and to understand yourself better. But for you to experience this, you'll need to practice vulnerability or sensitivity. Always opening up, because people can help you understand where is your situation at the moment. So that would be all guys, and thank you for watching.